Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to translate text with help of our iPhone camera. This method works on iPhone 15. So please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to open camera. Hey Siri, open camera. After that, we need to find text that we want to translate. Let's take our phone to hand and find text. For example, after that, we need to point your camera on this text and click on this little icon. After that, you need to click on this tick and click translate. And here we can see translation of this text. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.